Here we are in the house with the old folks. And here's Brad. Hello, Brad. And here we have Glenn. Hello, Glenn. And Aunt Susan. And Uncle Sam, whose honor this was in. Hello, Uncle Sam. Welcome to California. San Diego weather. And here's Ja. Wait a minute. Here's our dessert. Hello, Ja. Thank you for helping today. You did a wonderful thing. Wonderful job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. And wait a minute. Who's this girl in the Thailand dress? Oh, it's Leah. And Ella. Here comes Ella. We forgot Ella. And Amy. Hello. Where's Ella going? Ella's going out to... Oh, we forgot. Ella's got to go into her astronaut box. Whoop! There's Ella. That's Ella in her box. Oh, my goodness. These kids love the boxes. Here goes Ami going into his spaceship. Oh, Amy is flying around. She's ducked down. Wow. I mean Leah. Leah. Sorry, honey. I mean Leah. They're flying away. They're going to space, all of the kids. Bye-bye, kids. Goodbye. Have a nice trip. Bye-bye. Have a good trip. Bye-bye. Goodbye.